A very good morning to my dear students, children. This is electrochemistry. In this video, we are going to solve one problem. Easy way to calculate the time to produce chlorine gas. What is the problem given? Calculate the time required to produce 0.1 mole of chlorine gas using a current of 3 ampere during the electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. When sodium chloride is electrolyzed by passing current, 0.1 mole of chlorine gas is produced. The question is we have to calculate the time. Now, before that, mass of 1 mole of chlorine is equal to chlorine gas equal to chlorine atomic number 35.5. Cl2 means 2 into 35.5 equal to 71. 71 gram is the mass of 1 mole of chlorine gas. In our problem, it is given us to produce 0.1 mole of chlorine gas. Therefore, mass of 0.1 mole of chlorine gas equal to. We have to cross multiply these two values. When you cross multiply divided by the given value, you will get 0.1 into 71 divided by 1 equal to 7.1 gram. Mass of 0.1 mole of chlorine gas equal to 7.1 gram. And also before enter into the problem solving, we have to calculate the electrochemical equivalent Z. What is the formula? Equivalent mass divided by or atomic mass divided by N into 96,500 coulomb. 96,500 coulomb. During electrolysis, we know the anion moves towards anode and lost electron undergo oxidation becomes chlorine gas. 1 Cl minus lost 1 electron, we have Cl2, therefore 2 chlorine lost 2 electron. Number of electrons involved in this reaction equal to 2. M value we have calculated, that is atomic equivalent mass of chlorine is 71. Mass of 0.1 also we know. Using this, now I am going to write the Faraday's mathematical first law relation M equal to Z into IT. Z into IT. Using this, we can calculate time equal to bring these two quantities to the left hand side. M divided by Z into I. Substitute all the values. What is the mass of 0.1 mole of chlorine? 7.1. Therefore, the numerator is 7.1 divided by, what is Z? Just now we have calculated, and now I am going to substitute all the values here. M equal to 71 equivalent mass divided by N equal to number of electron involved 2 into 96,500. Substitute this value here, 71 by 2 into 96,500 into strength of the current is also given in our problem, that is equal to 3. Bring these two quantities to the numerator, it becomes, that is equal to 7.1 into 2 into 96,500 divided by 71 into 3. 71 into 3. Now we can cancel this 71 and 7.1. We will get 0.1. 1 3 is 3. How many 3s are 9? 3 3s are 9. 2 3s are 6. 1 3 is 3, remaining 20. 6 3s are 18, remaining 20. 6 3s are 18, remaining 2. 6 3s are 18 and goes on. Now multiply this number with 2. We have 10 power minus 1 here. 0.1 is nothing but 10 power minus 1 and multiply this value by 2. 2 into 6 are 12, remaining 1. 2 into 6 are 12 plus 1 equal to 13, remaining 1. 12 plus 1 equal to 13, remaining 1. 2 into 1 equal to 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. 2 into 2 are 4 and 2 into 3 are 6. Into 10 power minus 1 will give the answer time that is equal to 10 power minus 1 means 6433.32. This is in minute, in second, in second. If you want to express this time value in minute, you have to divide this value by 6. For example, so time equal to 6433.32 divided by, to convert second into minute, 60. 60 can also be written as 6 into 10. So we can cancel with the 6 first. We can cancel with the 6 first. 1 6 is 6. Here you have 1 6 is 6. 4, therefore 0. 43. 7 6 are 42, remaining 1, 13. So 2 6 are 12 and goes on. Here you have 2 6 are 12, here there is no point, and point goes on. 10 power 1, when you bring 10 power 1 to the numerator, 1072 into 10 power minus 1, 107.2. Our answer in minute is, time is equal to 107.2 minute. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.